Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. This video I will solve the objective questions, that is exercise 4G on the chapter rational numbers. It has 20 questions and I will try to solve it in an hour. So if you are new to my channel or not yet subscribed, I will highly request and suggest that you please support me by subscribing to my channel, and also please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. So let's start with this video. So in this video is part of the playlist CBSE Mathematics Class 7 following the textbook of RS Aggarwal. In this video, I will solve the exercise, all the objective questions. They are MCQ of the exercise 4G given at the end of the chapter on rational numbers. So let's start. Okay, so on the left hand side, I have all the questions. There are 20 questions. I will try to solve them in an hour. Not sure if I can do that. Let's try. On the right hand side, I will do the solving. So let's solve the problems. The first one says 33 by minus 55 in standard form is, okay, so it is asking us to convert the rational number 33 by 55 to standard form. We know that in standard form the denominator is positive and the HCF of the numerator and the denominator is 1. So there should not be any common divisor in the numerator and the denominator except 1. So first we make the denominator positive, so that will make the rational number minus 33 by 55. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by minus 1, so that the negative denominator becomes positive. Now we see that 11 is a common divisor of the numerator and the denominator, so we cancel divide by 11 and we get not this, we divide this by 11. We know that for a rational number, the rational number remains the same when we multiply with the same non-zero number with both the numerator and the denominator, or we divide by a non-zero number, both the numerator and the denominator, the rational number remains the same. So we can do this. So we divided both the numerator and the denominator by their common divisor, and this becomes minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 should be the answer, is the result. So answer is B. Okay, let's do question number 2. Minus 102 102 by 119 in standard form is, okay, so 102 by 119. Now 17. So we have to find the common divisor, and as per the given choices, we have to find the common divisor. Okay, so 7, if we divide 7, if we divide 119 by 7, yes, it is 17. It is 17, and so 17 into 7 we see is 119, and 7 does not divide 102. So let me see if 17 divides 102 or not. Yeah, it's 6, 42. So and 17 into 6 we see is 102. So we have to now just divide. We see that 17 is a common divisor to both of 102 and 119. So we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 17 uh, to make it in standard form, and this becomes 17 102 is 6. This is minus 6, and this will be 190, this is 7. So minus 6 by 7 is the result. So answer should be B. Okay, let's do 3. Question number 3. It is given if x by 6 equals 7 by minus 3, then the value of x is we know that for a rational number, as a side note, we know that if two rational numbers a by b are equal, that is a by b equals c by d, we can do cross products, and we can say that the cross products are also same. So AD equals to BC. So if a by, for two rational numbers a by b and c by d, if they are equal, then the cross products are also equal. So if we apply this concept, we can say that minus 3 into x equals 7 into 6. This implies x equals 7 into 6 by minus 3. This is 14 by minus 1. This is minus 14. So the result is, so x is minus 14. So the answer is choice A. Okay, let's do question number 4. It says what should be added to minus 5 by 9 to get 1. So the problem statement is what should be added to minus 5 by 9 to get 1. So if we assume the number that need to be added is x, so we get minus 5 by 9 plus x equals 1. So this implies x equals 1 minus 5 by 9. So we have to do the subtraction of these two rational number, meaning 1 is 1 by 1 minus 5 by 9. So when we subtracting a rational number is equivalent to adding its additive inverse. So this is plus the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9, that is 5 by 9. So now we have to add these two rational numbers. The denominators are different, so we have to convert them to equivalent rational numbers to have a common denominator of as the LCM of 1 and 9, which will be 9. So this becomes 1 into 9 plus 5 into 1, 9 into 1. So this is 9 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So we now have common denominators. Denominators are same. So we just now add the numerators. So this is 9 by 5 by 9. This is 14 by 9. So the answer is 14 by 9. The result is 14 by 9. X is 14 by 9. So the answer is C. Question number 5. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get 5 by 6? So let's say that x should be subtracted. So we have this problem statement: minus 3 by 4 minus x equals to 5 by 6. This implies x equals minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. So this is a subtraction of two rational numbers. We know that subtracting a rational number is equivalent to adding its additive inverse. So we have to add additive inverse of 5 by 6, which is minus 5 by 6. Now this is addition of two rational numbers and the denominators are different. So we have to convert them to equivalent rational numbers so that they both have a common denominator, which will be the LCM of 4 and 6. So and LCM of 4 and 6 is LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. LCM 4 and 6 is 12. So we have to convert these two rational numbers so that they both have denominator of 12. So we have to multiply the first one by 3 and the second one with 2, and we get minus 9 by 12 plus minus 10 by 12. So we now have the same denominators, and we add two rational numbers having same denominators. We just add the numerators. So it becomes the sum of the numerators divided by the common denominator. So minus 9 plus minus 10 divided by 12. So this is minus 19 by 12. Minus 19 by 12 is x. Minus 19 by 12 is the number that need to be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get 5 by 6. So the answer is choice B. Choice B. Let's do question number 6. Which is smaller out of 5 by minus 6 and minus 7 by 12? So we have to compare these two rational numbers. The first one has a negative denominator. So first we convert the first one to have positive denominator. So this becomes minus 5 by 6 and minus 7 by 12. Now we have to convert these two rational numbers to the equivalent form so that they both have a common denominator, which will be the LCM of 6 and 12. LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. So these two rational numbers now becomes minus 5. To convert, we have to convert the rational number minus 5 by 6 to its equivalent form so that it has a denominator of 12. So we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So this becomes this. The other one remains the same. So this is minus 10 by 12 and minus 7 by 12. Now both have the same denominator of 12. We now just compare the numerators. Since minus 10 is less than minus 7, which is smaller, this implies minus 10 by 12 is less than minus 7 by 12. This implies minus 5 by 6 is smaller. So minus 5 by 6 is 5 by minus 6. 5 by minus 6 is smaller. So the answer will be A. Answer will be A. Okay, let's do question number 7. It says which is larger out of, we have to find the larger rational number between 2 by minus 3 and minus 4 by 5. So first we have to convert the first rational number to have positive denominator. So it becomes minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 5. Now we have to they both have different denominators. So we have to convert them to equivalent rational numbers, so that both the equivalent rational numbers have a common denominator of the LCM of 3 and 5, which is 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So to convert minus 2 by 3, so that the denominator is 15, we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5. Similarly, minus 4 by 5 we have to multiply with 3. So now the rational number becomes minus 10 by 15 minus 12 by 15, and it has asked clearly, so we have the larger one. So we have minus 10 greater than minus 12. This implies minus 10 by 5 is greater than minus 12 by 15. So this implies 2 by is greater. 2 by minus 3 is greater. So answer will be 7, A. You can pause the video and take screenshot while I am solving it. First, definitely try to solve yourself. Only when you are stuck, then you see my solution. Okay, let's do problem number 8. It says reciprocal of minus 6. Okay, so reciprocal of minus 6. Reciprocal of minus 6 equals 1 by minus 6. Now it has a negative denominator. We have to convert it to have a positive denominator. So this will become minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6 is the reciprocal of minus 6. So answer is choice C. Let's do question number 9. Question number 9. Multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3. So reciprocal and multiplicative inverse are same thing. Multiplicative inverse of a rational number a by b equals to reciprocal of a by b, that is equals to b by a. We just reverse the numerator and the denominator. So for question 9, I'm in short multiplicative inverse. I'm short writing mi of minus 2 by 3 is nothing but we reverse the numerator and the denominator. So 3 by minus 2, and we do not keep denominator as negative. So to make it positive, this becomes minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3. So the answer is choice B. Okay, let's do question number 10. It is asking to find the value of minus 2 and 1 by 9 minus 6. Now first we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So this becomes uh, 9 into 2 plus 1, 18 plus 1, that is minus 19 by 9, and this is minus 6 means 6 by 1. So this is a subtraction of two rational numbers, minus 19 by 9 and 6 by 1. We have to subtract 6 by 1 from minus 19 by 9. So this is nothing but minus 19 by 9 plus the additive inverse of 6 by 1, that is minus 6 by 1. Okay. Now we see that the denominators are different. We have to convert both these rational numbers to its equivalent rational number, so that the denominator is common, is same, and that common denominator will be the LCM of the two denominators of the rational numbers. So here the LCM of 1 and 9, which is 9. So minus 19 by 9 remains the same, but to make the rational number minus 6 by 9 to have a denominator of 9, we have to multiply with 9. So this becomes minus 19 by 9 plus minus 54 by 9. Now we have a common denominator, and it's an addition of two rational numbers. So we simply add the numerators and divide the sum of the numerators by the common denominator. So this is minus 19 plus minus 54 divided by 9. This is minus 13 7 minus 73 by 9, minus 73 by 9, and it's a 73 by 9 is an improper fraction. We can convert it to a mixed fraction, and so it becomes, when we convert the 73 by 9 to a mixed fraction, it will be 8 and 1 by 9. So this is the result. So this is the result. So the answer is choice A. Okay. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. Now question 11. Question 11 says to find the value of minus 6 by 13 minus 17 by 15. So this is a subtraction of rational numbers, and we see that okay, so this can be converted to minus 6 by 13 plus the additive inverse of minus 7 by 15, that is 7 by 15. So now we have to add these two rational numbers where the denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM of the two denominators, 13, and LCM of 13 and 15 is 13 into 15. This is 65 and 13. So this is 195. So the LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. Okay. So we have to add minus 6 by 13 plus 7 by 15. The denominators are different, so we have to convert them to equivalent rational numbers so that they have a common denominator of 195. So it becomes 6 multiplied by 15 divided by 13 into 15 plus 7 multiplied by 13 and 15 multiplied by 13. So this becomes minus 90 by 195 plus 91 by 195. So now we have to add the two rational numbers. They both have same denominator. So we just add the numerators and divide the sum of the numerators by the common denominator. So this becomes minus 90 plus 91 by 195. This equals 1 by 195. 1 by 195 is the result. So the answer is choice C. Okay. Let's question number 12. It says to find the value of minus 2, 1 by 3 plus 4, 3, 5. So we first convert the two mixed fractions to improper fractions, and this becomes minus 7 by 3 plus 23 by 5. So I hope you know how to convert a mixed fraction of the form a b by c equals a plus b by c. This equals a c. This equals a into c plus b divided by c. Okay. So now we have to add these two rational numbers, and they have different denominators. So we have to find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 5 is obviously 15. So now we have to convert the rational numbers minus 7 by 3 and 23 by 5 to their equivalent rational numbers, so that they both have a common denominator of 15. So we have becomes minus 7 into 5, 3 into 5 plus 23 into 3, 5 into 3. So this is minus 35 by 15 plus 69 by 15. So now we have to add these two rational numbers where they both have same denominator. So we just add the numerators and divide that by the common denominator. So this becomes minus 35 plus 69 divided by 15. This is 34 by 15, and if we convert it to 15, why I am getting in the choice it is 15. Okay, 12, number 12. Okay, so this is 34 by 15. It's an improper fraction. We can convert it to a mixed fraction as 2, 4 by 15. So the result is 2 and 4 by 15. So the answer is choice B. Okay, let's do question number 13. You can take a screenshot. Question number 13 is asking to find 2 by 3 minus 1 and 5 by 7. So first we convert the mixed fraction to its equivalent improper fraction. So this becomes 12 by 7. This is we have subtraction of two rational numbers. This can be written as 2 by 3 plus the additive inverse of 12 by 7, that is minus 12 by 7. Now we have to add these two rational numbers. We see the denominators are different. Denominators are different, 3 and 7. So we have to find the LCM of 3 and 7, which is nothing but 3 into 7, that is 21. Okay. So now we have to convert the two rational numbers 2 by 3 and minus 12 by 7 to their equivalent rational numbers so that they both have a denominator of 21. So we have 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 7 plus minus 12 into 3 divided by 7 into 3. So this is 14 into by 21 plus minus 36 by 21. Okay. So now these two rational numbers have the same denominator. We just add the numerators and we divide the sum of the numerators by the common denominator. So this becomes 14 plus minus 36 divided by 21. This is minus 22 by 21. So it's an improper fraction, 22 by 21. If we convert it to a mixed fraction, this becomes minus 1 and 1 by 21. So this is the result, and the answer is choice B. Okay. Let's do question number 14. You can take a screenshot. Question number 14. Which is greater between minus 4 by 9 and minus 5 by 12. Okay. So to compare two rational numbers, first we have to convert them to their equivalent rational numbers so that they both have a common denominator, which will be the LCM of the denominators of the given rational numbers. So we have to find the LCM of 9 and 12. So 9 and 12, we first divide by the least prime number that divides at least two of these numbers. So this is 3 minus 4, and then so the LCM of 9 and 12 is 3 into 3 into 4, that is 36. Okay. So now we convert these two rational numbers so that they have a denominator of 36. So we have to multiply this rational number, both numerator and the denominator, by 4 so that the denominator becomes 36, and this one we have to multiply by 3. So we get this. So we have the rational numbers minus 16 by 36 and minus 15 by 36 and it is asking which is greater. We can clearly see that minus 15 is greater than minus 16. This implies minus 15 by 36 is greater than minus 16 by 36. This implies minus 5 by 12 is greater than minus 4 by 9. Okay. So minus 5 by 12 is the greater. So this is the greater. So the answer is choice B. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Question number 15. It says minus 9 by 14 plus question mark equals to minus 1. So we have to find the question mark. So let the question mark be x. Let the question mark be x. So we have to find x. This implies x equals to minus 9 by 14 minus minus 1. This is minus 9 by 14 minus 1 is minus 1 by 1. So this is subtraction of rational numbers, and we know that subtracting a rational number is equivalent to adding its additive inverse. So this becomes minus 9 by 14 plus the additive inverse of minus 1 by 1, that is 1 by 1. Now we have to add these two rational numbers. They have different denominators, 14 and 1. So we will have to convert the two rational numbers to the equivalent form so that they both have a denominator of 14. So this becomes minus 9 by 14 plus 14 by 14. Now we have a common denominator, same denominator 14. We just add the sum of two rational numbers having a common denominator is the sum of the numerators divided by the common denominator. So this is minus 9 plus 14 divided by 14. This equals 5 by 14. 5 by 14 is x. So the answer is choice A. Okay, you can take a screenshot. So let's do question number 16. It is asking 5 by 4 minus 7 by 6 minus of minus 2 by 3 is how much? So it's asking to evaluate, find the value of this expression. Okay, so this is okay, so this is 5 by 4 minus 7 by 6 and minus 2 by 3. Now we can convert. If you have, I have discussed this in the class of addition and subtraction of rational numbers, that if you have an expression where there are multiple rational numbers, multiple subtraction of rational numbers, then you can convert all the subtraction of rational numbers by the addition of their additive inverse. So we can write this expression as 5 by 4 plus the additive inverse of 7 by 6, that is minus 7 by 6. Again minus, we can write plus additive inverse of minus 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3. So now we have addition of rational numbers and the denominators are all different. So we have to find the LCM of all the denominators, because we have to convert all these rational numbers to the equivalent forms where all the equivalent rational numbers will have a common denominator, which will be the LCM of the denominators. So we have to find the LCM of 4, 6 and 3. This is nothing but 12. Okay, so after converting all the rational numbers to have a denominator of 12, it will be 5 into 2 divided by 4 into 2 plus not 2, 3 minus 7 into 2 divided by 6 into 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. So this becomes 15 by 12 plus minus 14 by 12 plus 8 by 12. So now we have to add three rational numbers where all the rational numbers have same denominator. So we just add the numerators and divide the sum of the numerators by the common denominator. So this becomes this. this is equals 1 plus 8 by 12. This is 9 by 12, and if you cancel out, do cancellation, this is 3 by 4. This is the result. So 16 is 3 by 4. So the answer is choice A. Okay, let's do question number 17. Question number 17 says, how much is 1 divided by half? So this is a division of two rational numbers. So 1 means 1 by 1, and when we do division of rational numbers, it is equivalent to the multiplication of the reciprocal of the rational number. That is, when we divide the rational number a by b by the rational number c by d, this is equals to a by b multiplied by the multiplicative inverse of c by d, which is d by c. So this will be multiplied by 2 by 1. This is 1 into 2 by 1. This is 2. So the result is 2, and the answer is choice B. Let's see question number 18. It is again, this is fill in the blanks type of question. We have to find, it is asking what should be multiplied with minus 3 by 14. Let's say that number be x, to give 5 by 12. Now what should be multiplied to minus 3 by 14 to give 5 by 12? If that number is x, we know that x is 5 by 12, the product divided by the other number. X is this. So now we have to find the division of two rational numbers, and we know that this is 5 by 12 multiplied by the multiplicative inverse of 3 by minus 3 by 14, that is 14 by minus 3, and we now have to do the multiplication of two rational numbers, but the second rational number has a negative denominator. We have to first convert that to have a positive denominator, and that becomes minus 14 by 3. Okay. So this is a multiplication of two rational numbers, and we know that when we multiply two rational numbers, we just multiply, the result is the product of the numerators divided by the product of the denominators. So this becomes 5 multiplied by minus 14 divided by 12 multiplied by 3. So this is minus of 5 multiplied by 14 and 12 multiplied by 3, we can cancel 2, 7, 2, 6. So this is minus 5 by 18. 18 minus 5 by 18, there is no, what is D? 7 by 3, no. Oh, sorry, this is 35, this is 35. So minus 35 by 18 is will be x, that need to be multiplied to minus 3 by 14 to get 5 by 12. So the choice answer will be A. Okay. Let's do question number 19. It says 0 divided by minus 7 by 15 is how much? Always remember that 0 divided by any number A, where A is any number, rational number, any non-zero, obviously it has to be a non-zero number. It could be negative, positive, it could be integer, whole number, natural number, rational, it could be a rational number, fraction, whatever, is always 0. When you divide 0 by another non-zero number, the result is always 0. So this is 0. So the answer is choice C. So we do the last question, that is question 20. It says minus 3 by 8 divided by 0, and obviously we never in mathematics divide by 0, that is not allowed or undefined. So this is not defined. Divide by 0 is not defined. So the answer will be I think it's D, not defined. So the choice is D. So that brings to the end of the solution of the exercise 4G, which is based on all the concepts of the chapter on rational numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of rational numbers, and comparison of rational numbers, rational number in standard form, and these are the main topics. So I hope this video will be beneficial to you in applying the concepts of rational numbers in solving problems. Ideally, you should be able to solve these problems in an hour or less. And this always try to solve the objective questions given at the end of the chapter, every chapter, and also there is a test paper for all chapter. After the next video will be the test paper on the chapter rational numbers. I will do that. So once again, thanks for watching, and if you are not yet subscribed and you are watching my videos and my videos are beneficial to you, then please support me by subscribing to my channel, like my videos, and share them with your friends, so that it will help me grow my channel, and also will motivate me to come up with this kind of videos on regular basis. So until the next video, take care and bye.